Hi all, welcome to this section on look around regex. So normally what is look around regex? It's actually like looking forward and backward of a particular character that we want to check. So this is a normal syntax. I'm actually providing an example here. This means A ahead of B. That is what positive look ahead regex. If A not ahead of B, negative look ahead regex. These are the patterns which we have to use. So in case if you want to check look ahead regex for positiveness, you have to put the character which you want, and inside the round bracket you have to put a question mark followed by equal sign and the character ahead of which our character is present. And if you want to check for negative look ahead, you just have to replace that with an exclamatory sign, and the same applicable for look behind as well. In positive case, in addition to the question mark and equal, it will also contain the less than sign. This will tell to the rejection engine that it has to look behind the particular value we provided, and this is negative look behind, which actually has a symbol a pattern that just replaces the positive look behind rejects as equal sign into a exclamatory sign. And the back referencing is nothing but using the capture group in our regex pattern. That's what it means of back referencing. We can able to use what we have captured before into our regex pattern. That is what is called back referencing. And I'm just providing a small example over here in our cheat sheet for that identification as well. Mostly these look around rejects won't work much properly in any text editors. And in Notepad, until this positive look behind regex are working fine and this negative look behind has some issues. But for now, we will work with these three things and then the back referencing. Okay. First of all, we will try to catch H, which is followed by E. Okay. So very simple, right? H and the round bracket, question mark, equal sign, and character which you want to be followed with. So H is followed by E, or we can say it in another word, H ahead of E. We are able to catch 5 such hatches. Then let's just modify this equal sign into exclamatory sign, and this will match anything. Okay, there is only one hatch which is not followed by E. That is in this ABCD. So let's go on with the positive look behind. So before we are having E here and we are trying to match H, right? Or we are trying to get H which contain E after that. Now here we will try to get name after this doctor. Okay, so for that we have to put round bracket, question mark, less than, equal sign, and doctor, escape sequence followed by a period. We are escaping that because period is a meta character. Don't forget that. If you made a small mistake over there and your entire regex pattern will give totally different meaning. So now followed by any words. Fine, next. So you can see that it is actually matching the name that we wanted. This is how this positive look behind regex will work. For negative look behind, we just have to modify this equal sign with exclamatory sign. Just as I said, it's not working as we expected. It's actually matching even the Raj and Robert. Difference is it's also matching other characters as well. So that's all about this regex crash course, guys. And I will be adding a bonus lecture about how to use these regexes in your Python, C# and Java, so that it will be easy for you to use these things in your existing programming scripts or something. We can use that in our code in our future lectures about Python tool development and other stuffs. For now, in case if you have any questions regarding this regex, kindly post your questions in the Q&A section and I will be gladly help you guys. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.